This is a good place for a photograph, huh? Looks really good. Look at these trees and these beautiful buildings. Small vessel here. Wow. The weather is pretty good too. I got really lucky with the weather. It is a bit windy, not so warm as it may look. Still have the winter jacket on, despite being mid-March. But it's good and sunny, so for the videos and photos, it's gonna be cool. There's the start of a nice neighborhood here. And look at this cute little terrace. Let's go on the other side. Do you see how many people are enjoying the sun there on those benches? I told you, no one really cares about coronavirus here. At least not yet. Or maybe never. We shall see. Look at this. So many people enjoying the nice weather. It's not even one spot. Okay, maybe a couple of seats are empty. What day is today? Saturday. Okay. Yeah, this can also be a reason why so many people are out. But this really doesn't look like they care much about the virus. So, what's gonna be? Are we all gonna die because of the virus, or it's just the media that makes some of us go to the supermarket and buy food for the next 2 years? Are you one of those? To be honest. Okay, here I am, the Pizza Hut. I'll go and eat, and hopefully there's still gonna be some light afterwards to film some more. The sun is slowly setting. Still a lot of people here enjoying the sunset, a couple of drinks. It doesn't really look like anyone is scared of the coronavirus, at least not here. Well, as you know, when the sun is slowly setting, it means my GoPro is not gonna work so well anymore. So I suppose I'm not gonna be filming much tonight. Let's just walk a little bit close to the river. Here's a kangaroo. Has a pretzel and a pretty large beer. Kangaroo Island. Yeah. Pretty good name. That's a beautiful dog. That's pretty. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? I had my lunch / dinner, I don't know, something in between. It was pretty good. Maybe I'm gonna come back tomorrow or the day after, if they're still open. So many lovely terraces, and it's just March. People are really looking forward to the summer here. Okay. I like it so much. You guys in Bremen are really lucky. You have such a nice town, such a nice city. So many nice places to chill. Okay, let's get out of here. Where do we go now? No pun intended. I think I'll just follow the road here. I know that if you walk long enough this direction, you get to the stadium, Weserstadion. I don't think I'm gonna be walking that long. Or for sure not gonna be filming that long because of the light. Let's check this bridge out. Another dog. So fancy. Pretty colors of the sunset. Some selfies there. Well, I'm not in any position to say anything about selfies considering the fact that I'm filming myself. I'm slowly getting used to it. Okay, I'm filming more or less the same things over and over again. Some more ships. Well, you got the picture. It's really fun to sit here with your friends by the river in Bremen. Well, I think I'm gonna try and find myself some entertainment. Maybe I'll go to a pub, drink something, and check. I don't know what else can I do this evening. There in the middle, you see that kind of glass new building. Up there is the terrace I told you about. I'm not gonna go there right now, but maybe it's still open in the next days if people don't exaggerate so much with the coronavirus. So maybe I get a chance to sit at the terrace once more and show you guys the view. The light is already pretty bad. You can see, because the video is a bit shaky, I just got to the main square. Sparkasse. This here is a bank. Do banks look like this? So cute in your city. Nice terrace. What a beautiful main square, isn't it? Too bad the light doesn't help me, but I'll surely be back these days. It's a tour group there. Let's go fast over here. It's probably the most important statue in Bremen. But till then, I cannot stop filming these. Look at these houses. Wow. Okay, so one of the most important statues in Bremen, Roland here. He is pretty big. And look at this beautiful cathedral. What do you reckon? Can we climb it? Probably not at this hour. Yeah, we. Beautiful garden here. There's a restaurant. I definitely need to film this during the day. You can hardly see anything now. Some guitar player there. He's not bad. Some soundtrack for my film. Well, it's good that I'm not monetizing my videos yet, because otherwise probably YouTube would have taken everything. A lot of photographers with their tripods here. Seems like a good spot. This is the town hall. Wow. It's a really beautiful town hall. And once again, St. Peter's Cathedral. I know you can climb one of the towers, which by the way are not identical. They don't really look identical either, but it's not an optical illusion. One of them is actually bigger than the other one, you know, fatter. Roland statue. And here on the left hand side, really close to the town hall, you can find the other most famous statue of Bremen. I really hope this video will not be so because otherwise I really like the atmosphere and I would like to post it. But if the image quality is gonna be so f***ed up, then I suppose I won't have any other choice but to delete it. Okay, let's go to these 4 animals. Bremen musicians. Maybe you know the story from the Grimm brothers. During the day it's gonna be more clear. So here we have a donkey, a dog on top of it, a cat, which doesn't really look like a cat, and a rooster. You're supposed to be lucky if you touch their foot or noses. You can see the difference of color, because most of the people do that. Well, I'm not going to. It looks cool. Alright, so maybe my evening slash night tour is gonna be over soon, or not, who knows. I said this so many times before, and then I keep on recording for half an hour, so I should better shut up. Going back to my place. Of course, the image is not clear at all. Hey guys, back in the room. After some hours of exploring, it's already night. You cannot see much outside. I'm really curious. How will the first night on the ship be like? Feels cozy somehow. Good night.